Okay, now we are connected to the database. The very next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to delete these instances, because every time we are going to create a player, we are going to make instances over there. Okay, let's create a model in here. Model player.php. Notice one thing, I have declared the name with the starting of uppercase letter. Okay, because this is our model player php models. Inside API, we are going to create a folder of player. All the operation, create, read, update or delete, we are going to make here. Okay, this is a folder. This shouldn't be a .php extension. Create a new file. Create. Here we are going to create our player. Okay, at first go to the model, start a PHP tag. Okay, go to PHP my admin. From here click on this player, click on structure. In here we are going to add one more column. Make sure this is after club. Go, the column name will be market underscore value, market value of a player. This should be integer, because we are going to take integer value as market value of any players. You see 4 columns are showing up here. Now open your atom. At first we are going to create a class player. At the very top of our class we are going to create database connection, private db name. This is our first variable. We are not going to initialize with any value. Private table name, table. We are also not going to initialize any value with the table. Private name is nothing. Private club is nothing. Private market underscore value is nothing. Okay, we don't need any ID, I think. Now next we are going to create a public function. Public function constructor. Here it will take some variables. First one will be dbase, second one will be name, third one will be club, and last one will be market value. Here we are going to set this dot name is equal name. Let me show you. When we are going to pass any parameter in our instances, for example, let's make instances of player is equal new player. If we set a variable of name is Messi, delete all the parameter here, just keep name, and we set our name Messi. This is the parameter of this, and this will assign here, and this value will assign inside our class variable, that is name. Okay, I think you get my point. Okay, Control Z for undo it. At the very end, what we are going to do is we are going to take the variable value from our class instances and assign it to our this class variable name. Okay, now do the same thing for club. and market value and dbas as well. Control D for selecting multiple variable with the same name. Control D